So here I will discuss about the humidity. What is humidity? Very common term, humidity. So keep in your mind one thing. Humidity means the moisture or the water vapor, right, present in the atmosphere in a particular period of time, in a particular place, and in a particular duration. That means the moisture or the water vapor, its quantity or amount can change from place to place, time to time, and period to period. Is it clear? That means whatever moisture or water vapor is actually available in the atmosphere during the early morning time, it is not same in the morning time, mid morning time, late morning time, noon time, afternoon time, even in the evening and night time. So it will differ in a particular day also, and it will differ in a particular season also. Winter time, summer time, monsoon time. If you compare all those three seasons, you will never get the same quantity of moisture or water vapor in the atmosphere in all those three duration or three different seasons. So that means in common sentence or in simple sentence, humidity means the amount of moisture that is actually available in the atmosphere in a particular period of time and particular season and particular place. It will differ from place to place, time to time, and season to season. Next part is the types of humidity. Different types of humidities are there. Basically, I will discuss over here as per your syllabus. That is the absolute humidity and relative humidity. What is absolute and what is relative? Absolute means very simple, the exact amount, the actual amount of moisture, exact amount of moisture that is actually present in the atmosphere. Is it clear? The exact amount or actual amount of moisture that is present in the atmosphere, it is called the absolute humidity. Okay. And relative means the exact amount of moisture that is already present in the atmosphere and the maximum amount of moisture that the atmosphere can hold. It is called relative humidity. Suppose for example, one atmosphere of a place can hold 500 mg of moisture or water vapor. Suppose in that particular area's atmosphere, the moisture content amount is, right, means presently the moisture is already available, it is 200 milligram. That means it is very simple to know that what amount of moisture still that atmosphere can hold in that particular place. It is very common, it is 300 mg, right? So the ratio between 200 mg that is already available in the atmosphere in that particular area and the maximum number of or maximum amount of moisture that the air can hold in that particular place, the ratio between these two is called the relative humidity. Is it clear? So here I will write the formula by which you can calculate the relative humidity. The actual amount actual amount here in the instead of actual amount you can write absolute humidity by the max amount of moisture that the air can hold, that the air can hold is called relative humidity. Now relative humidity we can express in percentage. Hence, this entire figure you can multiply it by 100. Is it clear? You can multiply it by 100. So suppose if I will write over here AH instead of actual amount of humidity and MH, the maximum amount of humidity. So the formula will be AH by MH multiply 100 is equal to RH, relative humidity. Is it clear? Hope the concept is now clear to all of you. Keep in your mind one thing, absolute humidity we can express in gram per cubic centimeter. Right? Gram per cubic centimeter. This is the newest form. This is the newest form, gram per cubic centimeter. Otherwise, you can write like this way also. The oldest one, gram per cubic centimeter. Okay. And relative humidity we can express in percentage. Be careful. Relative humidity we can express in percentage. Now, which instrument we can use to measure this humidity? The instrument name is hygrometer, by which we can measure the atmospheric humidity, right? The amount of humidity in the atmosphere. Next video I will discuss about the clouds.